Hey, I'm Wing, one of the founders of Riverflow, and I'm excited to introduce Batch, one of the first big steps towards creative production with AI. In ecom, the issue isn't, can I make one good image with AI? It's, can I take 30 products and make shots that are product accurate, brand aligned, and consistent with every campaign that I want to do? Prompting one at a time, waiting for the image to load, looking at it, prompting again. Once you add up all the time, it's not much faster than just jumping into Photoshop yourself. That's why we built Batch, a game-changing feature that minimizes the human time needed for prompting, waiting, and reviewing. Batch lets you pick any creative action and apply it to a range of product images, campaign shots, or ads, and the Batch agent will spin up hundreds of sub-agents to work on your tasks in parallel. An independent AI judge then ranks each output from low risk to high risk, with easy tools to make it easy for you to compare before versus after. Change the way that you work with AI. Batch is rolling out today.